In addition to sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, there are 13 important nutrients for plant growth. They are divided into macroelements: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium; mesoelements: calcium, magnesium, sulfur; microelements: iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, chlorine. Macro and mesoelements are the most important for plants. They are parts of many plant components, including proteins, nucleic acids and chlorophyll, and are important for physiological processes such as respiration and maintenance of osmotic pressure. We want to represent you the liquid formula Wonder Leaf Macro from the Ukrainian manufacturer of mineral fertilizers. Wonder Leaf Macro quickly solves the deficit problem of macro and mesoelements in plant nutrition and imbalance of amino acids and phytohormones. Wonder Leaf Macro restores the availability of damaged plants by environmental factors, stimulates growth and development during the growing season. The fertilizer has a highly effective composition: 10% total nitrogen, 10% phosphorus pentoxide water soluble, 10% potassium oxide water soluble, 0.5% magnesium oxide water soluble, 3% amino acids, 1% organic acids, pH 4.3, 1.25 kg per liter density, contains zinc, boron, molybdenum, copper, iron, phytohormones, polysaccharides and adhesive. The application rate from 2 up to 5 liters per hectare depends on the culture and phase of growth and development. This you can see in our recommendation table. It is used for crops cultivation during fertigation of closed and open time of growing with the using concentration of 0.1 up to 0.2%. Contact Wonder Manager for orders and more detailed information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay always informed about agricultural innovations. Wonder and the Earth is proud.